Hey everyone, this tutorial is going to cover the live paint feature of Adobe Illustrator. So what I want you guys to know before I start anything is the horizontal lines I have grouped and the vertical lines I have grouped, right? And so the reason that live paint is different from just having a fill like so is you can't separate the fill from the stroke, right? So if you wanted to change the opacity of the fill, it would do so of the fill and the stroke, and you have no control over that. However, with live paint, you can separate the fills from the lines. So what you want to do is you want to select everything that you have, or everything that you want to make the live paint group in. Go to Object, go down to Live Paint, and go to Make, right? And you'll see that it's kind of grouped in this live paint. And to actually start applying the paint, you want to hit these three buttons here, and if you scroll all the way down, you'll see this paint bucket here. So you want to use that, and then you could select the fill here. It won't put another stroke, but you can select the fill, and you can just put it in any closed region you want. You see if it's not closed, like this one's not closed, you can't put it in, right? Any closed region. Say, I'm happy with that. I mean, I think this looks pretty bad, but say you're happy with that. What you want to do is hit expand, which undoes the live paint group, but it still has everything grouped, right? So if we hit ungroup once, then you'll see that it's ungrouped the live paint from the lines, right? If we do ungroup twice on this, you'll see that it has taken away the original grouping, right? So you got to be mindful of that. When you're making a live paint group, you can't undo, like it'll undo all your grouping, right? So maybe make a copy of whatever you don't want to ungroup and then replace it afterwards, right? And then so now we can hit ungroup it here as well. Now all these squares are individual. And this makes it easy, like if I want to change the opacity of this, now I can make that change on its own, put it back in here, and boom. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.